evening, Amqui families. Welcome to the second grade. We are so very excited to meet you, and we are twice as excited to get our school year started. Please enjoy this evening, as our presentation tonight will cover the district, school, and classroom expectations for students, teachers, and parents. This presentation will be uploaded later onto the Amqui YouTube page, where you will be able to access it and get any information that you need as you need it. Once again, thank you and welcome.
Can you see me now? Can you all see me? Oh, there you are. Oh, well, I don't have to yell? Oh, okay. Oh, I had it on mute. Oh, just kidding. I'm so used to the Zoom meetings, and that's what happens on our Zoom meetings. Hey, I'm Mrs. Parton, and I used to teach first grade, and I learned so much, and I did so well that Miss Cobb said, you know what, Mrs. Parton? You just move on to second grade, and so I get to be your second grade teacher, so I'm so excited about that. I have taught for 30 years, and every year is new and different, and I can't wait to spend this year with you. Have a great week, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye.
Hi, my name is Ms. Torkelson, and I will be your second grade teacher for the 2021 school year, and I'm so excited to work with you all. So a little bit about me. I'm going into my 18th year here in Metro. I have a 10-year-old daughter going into the 5th grade, and like you, she will also be learning online. I am so excited to work with all of you. I know we're starting the school year off online, but hopefully soon we'll be here in the classroom. So I can't wait to meet you. Have a great rest of your summer.
Hi, I am Miss Neal, and I will be your second grade teacher this year in school year 2020-2021. I'm very excited about the start of this school year, and I'd like to take just a second or two here and tell you a couple of things about me. I am a native Nashvilleian. I am also a graduate of Metro Nashville Public Schools. I have one son. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am also the great aunt to a very great nephew. Very excited about that. And I look forward to us having a wonderful and very adventurous school year. Welcome.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. C, and I'm going to be your teacher this year. I'm super excited to get to meet all of you, hopefully sooner than later. This is my dog, Molly, one of my 4. This is my dog, Minnie. They're excited to be here with me too. Hopefully you're excited for a new school year, even though we're starting this one off a little bit different. I have been working as a teacher for 9 years now, and the past 2 years at Amqui Elementary. So together, we will be tigers. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to a great school year, guys. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Anderson. This is my 8th year at Amqui. I'm excited about teaching second grade this year. My family and I enjoy weekends on the lake, boating and floating in the water. I look forward to this year and what it holds.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. C, and I wanted to explain to you what your expectations are this year. Although this school year is going to look a little different than the school years you've experienced in the past, we do still have rules to follow and expectations to abide by. One of those is always strive for excellence, which means to do your best on everything you do, no matter what. The other one is to let someone know if you need help. If you need help logging on, accessing a meeting, typing something out in a box, or help with your homework, that's why we're here. Please ask us or ask an adult near you. Self-motivation and discipline is going to be important this year. What that means is when it is time to work, you are there, you are in front of your computer, and you are ready to get your work done. It also means that you can put away the computer games and the video games and the TV when it's time for school to start. Work independently is very important. We won't be doing a lot of group work right now because you're working from home, just like I am. So it's very important that you do your own work so I know what's inside of your brain and not someone else's. Please make sure that you're on time every day for our classroom meetings. We will be taking attendance every single day, so you being there really does matter. Please be a timely tiger. Also, make sure you get your work turned in when we ask for it. If we give you a day and your assignment is supposed to be completed, please make sure that it is by that time so that I can grade it and give it back to you so you can see how well you did. And the last and probably the most important rule to remember is to be responsible and give no excuses. Remember, Mom and Dad are there to help you. I am here to help you, and all of your teachers and adults are there to help you, but ultimately it's up to you, and it's your responsibility to take care of yourself, your work, and you are responsible for your actions.
Hi, this is Mrs. Anderson again. I'm going to let you know the district expectation for attendance during virtual learning. You will be expected to log on to Schoology every day, Monday through Friday, to be counted present. If you don't log on to Schoology one day, you will be unexcused absence.
Good evening, families. My name is Ms. Torkelson, and I will be sharing with you about the materials the students will be using this year. In addition to pencils, paper, scissors, glue, crayons, dry erase markers, and whiteboards, the students will need printed materials. Several core texts are being ordered so that each student has individual access to rich and engaging knowledge-building text at home. These texts have been purposely selected to align to the topics and content in the Florida Learning Virtual School curriculum. The Florida Learning Virtual School curriculum includes printed materials as well. These materials will supplement the online learning, so this will allow students to practice on paper what they are learning online. We will also have workbooks to use for the Tennessee Foundational Skills Supplement. These workbooks will be used by the teachers and students during our online classroom meetings. These materials are currently being printed and will be delivered to schools no later than August 10th. So please look for notifications sent out by the administration and teachers to let you know when they will be available for you to pick up these materials at the schools.
Hi, Mrs. Barton back again, and I'm going to talk to you about communication. Communication is going to be even more important now since we can't see each other in person. So there's going to be lots of different modes of communication happening. The first thing, a lot of the communication will go through Schoology, which you will get your login information closer to time that school starts. There will be a lot of information on there daily that you will need to check. It will be about activities, it will be about homework, it will be about any kind of school events that are happening. So that's key, that's number one. There will be a grade level newsletter sent out on a regular basis to you so you know what's coming and what we've been working on. And then in addition, each teacher will have a mode of communication for you, and your teacher will let you know what that's going to be. But communication, again, both ways, from us to you and from you to us, is going to be really key this year to helping us make this as successful as can be. If you ever have any questions or any concerns, please do not hesitate to contact any of the teachers, because we would love to help you, because we're learning this right along with you. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Miss Neal once again, and I have just a few final pieces of information for you. MNPS will continue to provide breakfast and lunch meals to all MNPS students. You may pick up the breakfast in a grab-and-go fashion at Amqui Elementary School Monday through Friday between the hours of 11:30 and 1 p.m. Your children will need to have their PIN number, and your second graders will know that this is the number that they used last year when it was time to go to lunch. It's a 6-digit number, and they should all remember what that is. You may also find some learning opportunities that will be led by district staff at www.mnps.org /handbook. In this information, you will find ways to help your children with virtual learning, with mindfulness, and with coping with stress. And then finally, at the very end of our presentation, you will see the second grade schedule, in addition to the contact information for all of the second grade teachers. We really appreciate you being here tonight. Thank you so much, and we look forward to a banner year with all of you.